Make the best homemade kitty litter. Store-bought kitty litter often contains strip-mined clay, which can be very bad for the environment. Although there are several green kitty litter brands to choose from nowadays, most of these are quite pricey, which makes them hard to afford in today's economy. Making your own kitty litter is a great solution to this problem. Homemade kitty litter can be easily made from newspaper, dish soap, and baking soda. First, shred the newspaper into tiny strips. If you happen to have a shredder, it would come in handy here, but if not, shredding the paper by hand works too. Use a lot of newspaper. Place the shredded paper into a large bowl or wash tub. Next, add a few drops of biodegradable dish soap and fill the tub with warm water. Let the paper strips soak in this solution for a while, until the water turns gray and the paper is pulp-like in consistency. This will get a lot, but not all, of the ink out of the newspaper. Using a colander, drain the water from the paper. Return the paper to the wash tub and add some warm rinse water. Again, let the paper soak in the water for a while, then drain. Pour a generous amount of baking soda onto the wet paper. With your hands, work the baking soda into the paper. Adding baking soda not only helps to absorb the excess water, but it will also work to absorb the kitty urine scent when used, so your home will smell fresh and clean. During this step of the process, squeeze out as much water as possible in order to help your homemade kitty litter dry faster. Finally, spread the mixture out over a screen and leave sit for a couple of days to finish drying out. Once the mixture is completely dry, you will have perfect, homemade kitty litter. To use, just fill your litter box from 1 inch to 2 inches deep. Scoop daily and change weekly. This is an easy, inexpensive way to make a great homemade kitty litter. This litter is good for the environment, healthier for your kitty, and easy on your pocketbook. Of course, if this method does not appeal to you or you do not have a good supply of newspaper, there are still a few other alternatives you could try. Chicken feed mixed with baking soda and wood shavings makes an excellent homemade kitty litter. Plain, ordinary sand works quite well also. The sand clumps well when wet and does not maintain cat urine odors. If you would like more odor protection, baking soda can be added to sand as well. About 1 cup thoroughly mixed in should do it.